Welcome to Employment and Education News.
Please subscribe the channel to know the latest update. It is free. National Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research vacancy for scientist or technical supervisor, administrative officer, technical assistant, receptionist, accountant, storekeeper, junior Hindi translator, assistant, junior technical assistant. Eligibility 12th, bachelor degree, M.Com, MBA, master degree in computer science, MSc, M.Pharm, MVSc. Age limit maximum 40 years for scientist, technical supervisor grade 1, 35 years for scientist, technical supervisor grade 2, administrative officer, technical assistant, accountant, storekeeper, junior Hindi translator, assistant, 27 years for junior technical assistant. Apply between 1 February to 2 March 2022. India government made vacancy for secretarial assistant, junior bullion assistant and graver, junior technician. Eligibility graduation and computer knowledge, bachelor of fine arts, ITI. Age limit maximum 28 years for secretarial assistant, junior bullion assistant and graver and 25 years for junior technician. Apply between 31 January to 1st March 2022. Salary as per pay scale 23,910 to 85,570 for secretarial assistant and engraver. Pay scale 21,540 to 77,160 for engraver. Pay scale 18,780 to 67,390 for junior technician. 1149 male constable post vacancy in Central Industrial Security Force. Eligibility 12th or equivalent. Age limit between 18 to 23 years. Apply between 29 January to 4 March 2022. Salary as per pay level 3. 1 upper divisional clerk and 7 multitasking staff post vacancy in Employee State Insurance Corporation for Northeast region. Eligibility 10th graduation. Age limit between 18 to 27 years for upper divisional clerk and 18 to 25 years for multitasking staff. Last date for application 15 February 2022. Salary as per pay level 4 for UDC and level 1 for MTS. 50 short service commission post vacancy in Indian Navy. Eligibility BSc, MSc, BE or BTech, BCA, MCA, MTech in computer science or IT or software system or cyber security. Age limit born between 2nd July 1997 to 1st January 2003. Last date for application 10 February 2022. Indian Navy 10 plus 2 BTech cadet entry scheme. Eligibility 12th science with 70% marks. Age limit born between 2nd January 2003 and 1st July 2005. Last date for application 8 February 2022. 6 lower division clerk, 10 stenographer, 7 civilian trade instructor, 4 cook, 10 laskar, 28 multitasking staff, 5 washerman and 2 barber post vacancy in HQ Madras Engineer Group and Center Bangalore. Eligibility 10th 12th. Age limit between 18 to 25 years. Application procedure offline. Application should reach the office on or before 19 February 2022. 570 apprentice post vacancy in Indian Oil. Eligibility ITI diploma. Age limit between 18 to 24 years. Last date for application 15 February 2022. 575 junior engineer post vacancy in Delhi Subordinate Service Selection Board. Eligibility diploma or degree in civil engineering. Age limit between 18 to 27 years. Last date for application 9 February 2022. Application fees 100 for UR and OBC and no fee for SC, ST, PWD, ex-servicemen and women candidate. Salary as per pay scale 9,300 to 34,800 plus grade pay. 151 assistant engineer post vacancy in Delhi Subordinate Service Selection Board. Eligibility degree in civil engineering with experience. Age limit maximum 30 years. 32 years for Delhi Agricultural Marketing Board. Last date for application 9 February 2022. Application fees 100 for UR and OBC and no fee for SC, ST, PWD, ex-servicemen and women candidates. Salary as per pay scale 9,300 to 34,800. Junior Engineer Section Officer post vacancy in Delhi Subordinate Service Selection Board. Eligibility Diploma or degree in Electrical Engineering. Age limit between 18 to 27 years. Last date for application 9 February 2022. Application fees 100 for UR and OBC. No fee for SC, ST, PWD, ex-servicemen and women candidates. Salary as per pay scale 9,300 to 34,800. 26 Assistant Law Officer Legal Assistant post vacancy in Delhi Subordinate Service Selection Board. Eligibility degree in law with experience. Age limit maximum 30 years in Delhi Fire Service Department, Delhi Pollution Control Committee, 27 years in Delhi Jal Board, 35 years in Delhi Transport Corporation, South Delhi Municipal Corporation. Last date for application 9 February 2022. Application fees 100 for UR and OBC. No fee for SC, ST, PWD, ex-servicemen and women candidates. 3 scientists and 6 senior scientist post vacancy in CSIR Indian Institute of Chemical Biology. Eligibility PhD in Life Sciences, Chemical Sciences, Physical Sciences. Age limit maximum 32 years for a scientist and 37 years for senior scientist. Last date for application 25 February 2022. Salary as per pay level 11 and 12. Thanks for watching till the end.